Hello everyone. We have to discuss in a previous lectures why Max broadband access technology and Wi-Fi technology. We have to discuss in a previous lectures in a briefly. So in this lecture we have to discuss about a GPS. We know that GPS means global plus positioning system. Backgrounds. First is accessibility, popularity of GPS and INS. In this cell phone, first is Apple, iPhones, BlackBerry, Android platforms. 19 Wi-Fi remote motion plus. Next is introduction of GPS. First put into practical use in the 90s, more commonly used in the 21st centuries. GPS is for navigation, seeing computer networks, time missing guidance. Some applications that make use of a GPS are Garmin's Google Maps mobile apps. GPS satellites are maintained by the Air Force and can be used by anybody. Global positioning system, how it works. In this shown, at least 24 operational GPS satellites in orbit, 12 hover orbits, 11,000 miles above Earth, automatic clock, oscillation of a signal atom to determine time, synchronize send signals at some time. Global positioning system, how it works. Continue. Satellites send data to Earth which are picked up by receivers. Signals arrive at different times based on the distance from the satellites. Receiver needs to determine distance to 4 satellites, determines 3-dimensional positions, does not send out signals. But how does the receiver determine its distance from each satellite? To calculate distance, distance equal to speed into time. Speed equivalent speed of light. How to determine time? GPS receiver's clock becomes synchronized to coordinates universal time by tracking 4 or more satellites. Each satellite transmits a unique pseudo-random code at extremely precise time intervals. Receiver knows each satellite's pseudo-random code and when they are sent, receiver determines the time delay it takes to match the expected satellite's pseudo-random code with the received pseudo-random code. The formula is time delay equal to time. Speed of next is a global position system, source of errors. In this, speed of light is only a constant in a vacuum. In this, atmospheric charged particles in the ionosphere, water molecules in the troposphere. Improprious errors, error that affects the satellite's orbits, caused by the gravitational pull on the sun, moon, and the pressure caused by the solar radiation. Error monitored by the Department of Defense and broadcast to the GPS satellites. Multipath errors, timing errors from signals bouncing off objects such as the buildings of mountains can be reduced by signals rejection techniques. How can we reduce errors caused by the atmosphere? Global Position System Errors Correction. First is DGPS equal to differential GPS. Basic idea: use known location as a reference location. Exact position is known compared to the location determined by GPS. Develop errors correction data by using the difference of the exact location and the GPS determined location. Broadcast errors correction data to local GPS receivers. Receivers within 200 kilometers of the reference station. Error correction can remove errors caused by the atmosphere, makes GPS data more accurate. In a wide area aggregation system, WAAS is an example of DGPS, also referred to as a satellite-based augmentation system developed by the Federal Aviation Administration. Uses a network of ground-based stations in North America and Hawaii. Measures variation in satellite signals, relays errors to WAAS satellites used to improve accuracy and integrity of data. Independent system being developed in Europe, Asia and India. Global positioning system applications. These are used in aerospace, automotive, military, civilian. The list goes on. Thank you.